Hi guys, Mike here, and welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get Instagram on the iPad. Let's jump over to my iPad and get started. If you open the App Store and search for Instagram, you will see a bunch of Instagram related apps, but not the original Instagram app. This is because it's not available for the iPad. However, if you tap Filters and under Supports, select iPhone only, you will see the developer Instagram Inc. Tap that. Inside that group of apps, you will see Instagram. If you want to install it, just tap the little cloud or Get. Since I already have it installed, I can tap Open. When you're prompted to log in, continue with your Facebook credentials. Turn on notifications and allow Instagram to access your videos and photos. Tap OK and allow. I've exited the App Store and you can see that the Instagram icon is on my home screen. If I tap it, you can see my Instagram feed. And there's my Instagram profile with all my photos. So you can see that Instagram can be installed on the iPad.
I love Mike's videos. Please subscribe to his channel for more tips, tricks, and tutorials.
In a moment, you'll see a few of my other videos appear on screen. Feel free to check them out, and we'll see you in the next one.